Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily transfer funds from Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase Pro wallet. So let's start. How we can do it is really simple. Be in Coinbase Pro, then go here to deposit. In deposit you want to search assets, and here you want to click euro or whatever, not coin but whatever currency you have. Then you have Coinbase.com, or you can also transfer Bitcoin. So euro, Coinbase.com, and now as you can see, I got on Coinbase.com, I got 1,000 euros. So I will add 100 euro. You can also add maximum, fee, limit, unlimited, processing time, instant deposit. And voila, your deposit is complete, done. And now I have it right here, see? And this is pretty much it. So yeah, if you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. Also, if this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe. So with the same process, you are here, and when I'm going to refresh my Coinbase website, I can see that I got only 950 euro. So deposit, choose the currency or Bitcoin, whatever, and then you can Coinbase.com. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.